Hi everyone, it's Legal Smart Life with you today. And today I want to go through the tempered glass and change my tempered glass from my watch to the new one. And yes, I use not just a screen protector, but actually a tempered glass for my watch. And I do not like the screen protectors. It's like for 1-2 weeks. And this one I have actually used for around 2 years. And I'm super happy with it. And the time has come to finally change it. I bought a new one and I'm going to show you the unpacking and change my watch to tempered glass. Let's start. It comes in a box like this. I have some installation auxiliary tools. These are like the frames for the watch, so to not have it move. A tutorial book. Okay, this I need to check what these are. This is something new. I didn't have that last time. And here are the screen protector one. I think I have to have two. It's in here. Yes. And I have the gel for it to glue. I have the lamp as well. So these are the ingredients, and I think it's an interesting going to be a situation to try it out and see how it works. Oh, I can't open it. My nail. So it's going to be like this. You put the watch kind of like this and have this connected to the charging thing. So let's see how it's going to go. I will also move the camera up close and record over so you know what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Okay, so for me this is going to be some new construction because I never had anything like this before. So I have prepared everything, and I also needed water for this. So I watched the video instruction. So first of all, what I need to do is I need to take off wristbands. Now I need to clean this up and prepare it for the next protection. Also, one more thing, I'm going to turn it off so it's not in my way. Okay, so I washed it and I prepared it a bit more. I put some soap on it and I think we're ready to start. So the first thing I need to do, so here is the tray and here is the watch, and I need to put the watch accordingly to either here or from this side. It says that I need to first put in this thingy and then there. Yeah, it still turns on. I have no idea how to undo that. The issue here was that I was thinking it would put on top, but it didn't. So you need to put it from the bottom up, and you need to first align this inside, put inside this round button, and then okay, let's turn it off again. Okay, now it's off, and now we can unpack this. So what do we have here? A wipe, some cloth, and stickers. So we take this thing and we put it in water for 30 seconds. Now we take it out and squish all the water out of it. This is how it looks like at this point. Clean up as well. this thing and take it, and I start to pour it. I need to put like this. Okay. Oh, I'm so scared. I just hope that it will be good. So the next thing I take please don't break. Okay. Oh dear. Wow. Okay. Then I need to turn on this thing. And now we wait. Okay, so I put it a bit more than 3 minutes. So I tried as well to go to the sides and to see that everything is good. So now I need to push it out. I don't remember which. Okay, pushed out. Okay, this is a bit wet, but I think this is the water, not the glue. Oh wow, it looks nice. Yeah, it's good. The last time I didn't have such an option of everything, and it was more of, this is how it looks like. Last time, why I had like so much glue, so I didn't have this system. I only had like, I think it was just like small thingy that you put like it in, and it was like this and it's like that. But there was like no cushion, nothing like this. And it became that a bit like the glue got inside here. So I had to clean it out a bit with like toothpick and like floss. But this one is very nice. So now, yeah, I don't have any bubbles. Let me again turn it off so it's as well seen. So it was put on like very, very nicely. Yeah, I don't have any bubbles. The only thing, I do have something inside there. Okay, yeah. Like a small dust. I think it got there when I was waiting, but it is okay. If needed, I can put in a second one, but I'm very happy with this one. It looks very nice. It looks firm. It's not moving or anything like that. So I'm super happy on this. Now I can put back my wristbands. This one side. Okay, one. So yeah, that's how I put on this 9H tempered glass. And I forgot to mention the brand. The brand is Flock Nice. So it's kind of like compatible with Series 7 and Series 8. I have a Series 7, if I'm not mistaken. So they're 2 years old and it is working like good from my side. And I'm happy with the way that it put on, and I'll be using this for another 2 years. Thank you for being with me and watching how I put on this Apple Watch screen protector that is tempered glass and how I installed it within the new system that I got, and it is very good, and I hope that it will not break and I can use it as well for future. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for being here with me. This is Lena Smart Life signing off.